Congratulations on your new vehicle purchase. Your vehicle has been equipped with a state-of-the-art PassTime collateral protection system. This device can help you keep track of your upcoming payments so that you can improve your credit history.
Your vehicle may be equipped with an anti-theft device that may qualify you for a discount on your comprehensive insurance. Please contact your insurance agent for further information. In addition to all the paperwork that you will receive from your dealer, you'll also receive a remote control and a customer brochure. The first time you start your vehicle, a wireless link will be sent to the PassTime to be sure your vehicle will start. If your vehicle is equipped with an anti-theft feature, it will require you to follow a starting sequence. First, turn the key to the on position, or when the dashboard lights come on, in 2 seconds, you'll hear a double chirp indicating you may now start your vehicle. If by chance your vehicle does not start, return the key to the off position. Wait 5 seconds for PassTime to chirp once, signaling it's okay to begin the starting sequence again. These instructions are also printed in your customer operating instructions brochure, which should be kept in your glove compartment along with your remote so it can be referred to in case of such occurrences. If your vehicle still does not start, contact your lender. Should your vehicle stall, simply restart the vehicle within 5 seconds. Do not turn your key back to the off position.
This is what the PassTime remote looks like. When using the remote, your PassTime unit will respond each time a button is pushed.
If, for any reason, the wireless link is not received by the PassTime, you'll be required to enter a 9-digit code using the PassTime remote. Contact your lender to receive your code. Generally, you will use the numbered buttons as well as the pay and time buttons. First, turn the key to the on position. Before entering your new code, you should push the pay button. Then enter your new code. Be sure to listen for the tones to be sure you're doing it correctly. PassTime has been programmed by the dealer for you. From now on, when you make a payment to your lender, a wireless link will be sent to the PassTime to be sure your vehicle will start. The first time you start your vehicle, after a wireless link has been received, you'll hear a series of positive tones. If you've made your payments and you do not receive the series of positive tones, contact your lender immediately to receive your 9-digit code. A positive tone means your code has been accepted. At this point, you should push the time button to ensure you have the correct number of days. The unit will beep once for every day left before the PassTime unit enters the customer reminder period. Once you've entered the customer reminder period, the unit will beep once for every day remaining until the PassTime unit will disable the vehicle. If PassTime responds with a negative tone, press the pay button and re-enter your code. If you continue to hear the negative tone, contact your lender. PassTime is programmed with a customer reminder signal. When you hear a warning signal, you're near or past the specified time to make your agreed payment. Contact your lender immediately to arrange a payment. If you get the warning and payment is not due, contact your lender immediately. At any point, you can push the time button to verify the number of days you have before your vehicle will not start. If your vehicle is equipped with an anti-theft feature, when you put the key in the on position and you do not get the double chirp, return the key to the off position. The PassTime unit will not shut down a vehicle or affect the running of the vehicle. It can only prevent the vehicle from starting when your allotted time has run out. PassTime is programmed with an emergency code, 999999, that will allow you to operate your vehicle for 24 hours. Do not enter your emergency code unless these circumstances have all occurred. Do not press the pay button before entering the emergency code. Simply enter the emergency code. If at any time you hear the double chirp when trying to start your vehicle and it does not start, there is a problem with the vehicle. This is usually caused by a low battery. Try to jump-start your car. If the problem continues, contact your lender.
In the event of an emergency and your vehicle has been disabled, Contact your dealer during normal working hours or PassTime at the number printed on the back of your customer operating brochure. Congratulations again on the purchase of your new vehicle.